Hello guys and welcome back. Did you know your iPhone has a hidden display mode that turns into a mini smart screen while it's charging? It's called StandBy mode, and it's one of the coolest features added in iOS 17 and improved even more in iOS 18 and even 26. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your StandBy mode, change its colors, and also explain the 4 important settings hidden under StandBy in your iPhone's setting app. So what exactly is StandBy mode? When you place your iPhone sideways while it's charging, your screen automatically transforms into a big glanceable display showing the time, your calendar, photos, widgets, or even live activities like music or timers. It's perfect for a bedside clock, a desk display, or even a digital photo frame. Now let's talk customization, because yes, you can change the colors of StandBy mode, put your iPhone on its side and plug it in. Wait until StandBy activates, tap and hold the screen until you see the customization view, unlock with Face ID or your passcode. And now you can swipe through different colors and styles. You can customize how your clock looks, what color it uses, or even switch between the different layouts like the analog clock, digital clock, photo view, and widgets. It's a small detail, but it makes your setup feel way more personal. Now let's head to settings, StandBy, because there are 4 important options here that change how it behaves. The first one, StandBy, which is main toggle. If this one is off, StandBy won't appear at all, even when your iPhone is charging sideways. The night mode, this one automatically turns the screen red and dim at night to be easier on your eyes, perfect for using it as a bedside clock. Show notifications, when this one is on, your iPhone can display notifications in StandBy mode, like messages or reminders. If you want complete privacy while charging, you can turn it off. Show preview tab only. This setting controls whether full notifications appear or just a preview. If you like a cleaner, distraction-free look, keep this one off. So, depending on where you charge your iPhone, at your desk, in bed, or in public, you can tweak these settings to watch your needs. And here is a quick tip. StandBy mode works best with iPhone that have an always-on display like the iPhone 14 Pro and 15 Pro series. If you have an older model, the screen will turn off when it goes to sleep, but you can still activate it by tapping the screen. So yeah, that's everything you need to know about StandBy mode, how to use it, customize it, and make it look exactly the way you like. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments what color or layout are you using for your StandBy mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.